everyone, we are back with more crazy Christmas styles. Today I've got little Caitlin with me and we are going to be doing some bauble braids. So let's get started. I'm starting off by just placing the hair into pigtails. I'm using a little bit of wax spray just to tame the hair. Caitlin's trying not to breathe because it tastes funny, this does, doesn't it? So just smoothing these into little ponytails and then we're ready to start our style. And then I'm just adding a little red bauble because it is Christmas. You could add a little scrunchie if you wanted to. Whatever you think. That's that side done. So exactly the same on this side. So these little baubles we got from Amazon. So they're just like mini baubles, but obviously we don't want this bit on. So Caitlin's going to show us how to take this off. Go, Caitlin. It's your moment. Oh, there we go. So they just pull off and these are what we're going to be putting in the hair. So I'm just putting a little bit of back comb powder in the hair. You could just put a little bit of hairspray and then I'm going to take my comb and you need to give this a real good back comb in the centre. Because if you don't back comb the centre, these little baubles are just going to come flying out. And then the next stage is get some strong hold hairspray and I'm going to spray that right in that centre. And when that dries, it's almost going to create like a sort of sticky glue. And that's really going to hold in that bauble. You're then going to come in with a little elastic. Not too far down because the baubles are only small. And just place that there. And then come in to the sort of centre bit there. Grab a bauble. Which colour are we going for?
Blue.
Blue, okay. So we're going to grab this bauble and just push that into the centre of the hair. Close that hair around it so all that kind of sticky hairspray goes on the bauble as well. And then just open it up a little bit so you can see that nice pop of colour. So when you come to the next one down, just be aware, especially while that hairspray is drying, that you don't want this popping out. So just be a little bit gentle as you're doing your back comb. Don't forget to use that spray again. You're popping that elastic in. Again, just being careful that you don't kind of pull on that. Once it's dried, they do not come out, do they, Caitlin? They just stay where they are. Right, what's the next colour? Perfect, so we're going for a pink. So again, you're just going to open that up. Push that bauble inside. Pull it around. Let that product go on it. And then just gently open it back up so you can see it. You can also, I don't want to get it on the ball bit because I don't want it to be like gluey. So I'm just kind of covering the ball and just doing a little spray on the outside. And again, that's really going to hold those into place. So I'm just kind of like teasing out the sides, making sure it's all even. But look, this top one now is dried in and it really isn't going anywhere now. So we're just going to do exactly the same on this side. The magic of editing is going to speed this up for you and then you can have a good look at the end results. So, last little bit now, guys. We are going to put on our little Christmas tree hat. Me and Caitlin were just having an argument, weren't we, where we want it. Yeah. And we couldn't decide. So I think we're going to go for here. Yeah. That's where we're going to go. That's where we're going to decide, isn't it? So I'm just going to slide that through. And it just looks like a little Christmas tree hat. And there we have it. What do you think, Caitlin?
I love it.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
So let us know in the comments what you think of our little Christmas style. And we will be back soon for another tutorial.